Hey, what is up guys? In the previous video, I showed you how I successfully installed rear passenger window tint and it turned out amazing for my first attempt. On the contrary, in today's video, I will show you how to not install your rear windshield tint. I guess we will find out why you shouldn't be following what I did in this video. You will need a tint installation kit, a film roll, squeegee, spray bottle, and a glass cleaning cloth. All the product links are in the description if you're interested. We're going to start by spraying the outside of the windshield first with soap water and squeegeeing it clean from dirt. After that, I will spray it again so I can stick the film on the glass to work on the template. First of all, avoid installation of tint outdoors as much as possible, because if it's windy, then your day is going to be really difficult. So to make a template first, I will lay out the film evenly and cut out the excess from the edges and then squeegee fit the film on the glass as much as possible to remove bubbles, air, and creases. The problem with today's installation is that I don't have a heat gun, which is very important for installing tint on curved glasses. Now, although all the steps I'm showing you here works fine, just because I don't have a heat gun, my whole installation may or may not work, which we will find out in a few minutes. After templating the film, I'm gonna move to the inside of the car to clean the glass from the inside. But before that, I need to spray the film with soapy water to keep it cool. Now enjoy a view of me struggling to get this film to stick on the inside of the glass. Typically, you should remove the headrest so that you have easy access. But this model of Chevrolet Cruze does not allow you to easily remove the headrest completely, so I just skipped all that hard work. After a few adjustments on the edges and cutting out the excess material, I tried to squeegee the tint as much as possible to fit the curvature of the screen. But as I said, because I don't have a heat gun, I can't really remove these folds and bubbles. Although I knew I should have ordered a heat gun beforehand, I just thought making a video on how you really need a heat gun to make rear windshield tint installation successful is really important. I tried my best and the procedure works absolutely fine. You just need to heat shrink to make the film assume the curves of the glass. Finally, let's see what it looks like from the outside. And with that disappointment, I'll see you on the next one.